Bitcoin, the oldest cryptocurrency ever created, has experienced a sudden surge in price in the past few days after the announcement of Donald Trump as the next president
Seventh
of the United
president
States
of
of
the
America.
United States, winning what had been expected, of course, to be a razor-tight and historic race, and it has been just that. That projection coming to us from our CBS News partners. Donald Trump, America's 47th president. He claimed victory, of course, a couple of hours ago, but now it is official with that projected win for Donald Trump.
Excitement everywhere, jubilation everywhere. The president everyone wanted is here. Well, the president most people wanted is here.
Donald J. Trump, property developer, reality TV star turned politician, is back in the White House.
It is one of those moments on which we will look back and ask, where were you when Donald Trump became the President of the United States for a second time?
Hello and welcome to Let's Education channel, where we try to simplify your learning as much as possible. This is exactly what the Forex market maker would want you to believe. This is exactly how they want you to think. So this is the BTC USD chart. Okay, this is the BTC USD chart, and from what you are seeing here, you'll notice that BTC, okay, that's the Bitcoin, it's been on an uptrend since 2022, sometime in the month of this is December 2022. Bitcoin has actually been on an uptrend all the way up. So this is one of the tools of the market makers to make you believe that a particular news release was what led to the surge in a particular currency pair or the fall in that pair. Okay, so take it from me, guys. If you actually believe that the announcement of Donald Trump as the president of the United States of America is what led to the surge in the price of Bitcoin, it simply means that you can believe simply anything. Okay, so that's just a big fat lie. Okay, the market has been on an uptrend for the past 2 years. And of course, remember, if we say the market has been on an uptrend, it doesn't necessarily mean that there are not going to be pullbacks and all of that in consolidations. Okay, so there definitely are going to be stuffs like that. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. We already had our first level rise. We already then got back and got our second level rise. Then we got back and got our third level rise. Okay, so this was actually a reset for the next part of the movement the market was going to make, and that's exactly what happened. But then the market decided to extend to the bull run, or the so-called Trump news that people are talking about, is actually like an extension, okay, of the third level rise on the weekly time frame. And I'm going to show you something for those of us that are used to or that know about for those of us that know or have an understanding of, this is the monthly time frame. For those of us that have an understanding of price action, now you're going to notice something. You're going to notice something. Whenever we have 3 touches, okay, of a particular trend line, you know what that means. You know what that means. So I'm not going to say much, but then the mistake a lot of us tend to make whenever we're faced with things like this is that we start buying because the market has already started rising. Okay, so that's what we call FOMO, fear of missing out, because you don't want to miss out on the trade. You don't want to miss out on the trade. You jump in and then you see the market reversing on you, and the panic button is clicked. Okay, so the wrong, or one of the things you want to avoid, is jumping into the market right now to say, I want to buy Bitcoin, I want to buy Bitcoin. It's already late for you to buy. Okay, it's already late, because what I expect to see the market do right now is this period. During the course of the next few weeks, I expect to see the market consolidate, play around this region, for a while. Okay, it might even go up to maybe 96, 97, and all of that. Okay, but it's just going to play around this region, and then we'll see a sharp drop before any other thing. Okay, so the point where it's going to drop to, I might not really be able to ascertain now, but one thing is certain: when it drops, we might get to as low as 60 something thousand. Okay, I'm not the owner of the market. All these are just my speculations, or my predictions. We might get to as low as 60 something or 70 something thousand, and then the market is going to become a lot more clearer for me to know the next thing to do. So, guys, I just needed to let you know it might even get to as low as 50 something. Yeah, from what I'm seeing. Okay. So back to what I was saying, I just want you guys to know that the market maker, they have several tools in which they use, okay, to deceive you, to make you believe some certain things. And the victory of Donald Trump as the US president actually happened to be one of those tools that played into their hands very well. Okay, so please do not believe that bullshit. Okay, it was just all a hoax. Okay, the market has been on an uptrend and it only needed to complete the circle. So that is it. If you want to learn more about the Beat the Market Maker strategy, I've got the videos in my Forex playlist, and I'm going to drop a few of the links in the description below this video. So feel free to watch them and learn more. Thank you, and see you in the next video.